Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt. We're at the JBL booth at CES 2024, and we've got Jason here who's going to walk us through some of the new PartyBox models that we can expect to see coming up pretty soon. Jason, what are we looking at?
So we are looking at the PartyBox Club 120. This will be replacing the PartyBox 110. US map will be $399 for this product right here. Next up, we've got the PartyBox Stage 320. So this will be coming out in Q2 of this year as well. US map of $599 for this product right here. So a couple of upgrades from the previous generation. Let me grab this demo unit right here to show you guys. So for the PartyBox 110, which is the previous generation of the 120 here, the handle was in the back of the unit. We've moved that up to the middle of the unit so it has a more balanced weight distribution, makes it easier to carry, a lot more portable, easier to transport from place to place. A couple cool features that will be consistent across both the 120 and the 320. We will start off with the replaceable battery feature. So both will have this slot in the back of the unit. You just pop it open right here when the battery dies, slide it right out, you grab your fresh battery, pop it right in there and close it up, and you can double your playtime just like that. So let me go grab these batteries right over here. So for the PartyBox Club 120, we'll be using this battery right here. You'll get up to 12 hours of playtime in this right here. This is actually the battery that powers the entire unit. And then for the PartyBox 320, it'll be a slightly larger battery. You get up to 18 hours of playtime with this one right here.
All right, and then there was some more stuff you had over here too.
So we've got a PartyBox wireless mic pack as well. So this will be US retail will be $149 for this bundle right here. You'll get 2 wireless microphones and a wireless dongle as well. So it's a super simple process pairing the microphone with the dongle. Let me just grab it right here. So here's the mic, here's the dongle. You just power on the mic and power on the dongle, and when the lights turn solid, they're paired up just within a matter of seconds. Then you just take the dongle, place it in the input in the back of whichever speaker you want to pair it with. And you are connected. So it's a very simple 3-step process. You just power on the mic, power on the dongle, stick the dongle in the back of the speaker, and you're connected just like that.
Perfect. And you got karaoke going all night with the replaceable batteries. Great light show on the front of these, just like we're used to seeing from JBL. And they sound incredible too. So we've got some great stuff here from JBL at CES 2024. Make sure you guys stay tuned because we've got a lot more coming up.